Welcome to Aiden AI, the channel where we explore the most powerful AI tools shaping the future.
Creating a great commercial isn't just about generating good-looking videos. First, you need to understand the product. Then you need a creative concept, a storyboard, a script, a visual direction, different advertising strategies, and finally, multiple versions designed for different marketing goals. Normally, that entire workflow takes a team of marketers, designers, editors, and content creators. But today, I want to try something different. Instead of asking AI to simply generate a video, I'm giving Flova a real advertising brief. The challenge isn't just to make something that looks good. The challenge is to see whether an AI video agent can take a real marketing objective and help turn it into a complete advertising campaign while I act as the creative director. Throughout this video, I'll show you exactly how I approached the project, the decisions I made, where Flova helped the most, and where I still needed to step in to shape the final commercial. By the end, we'll see if this is actually a workflow that freelancers, marketers, agencies, and businesses could use in real projects. Let's get started. For this challenge, I'm not creating a random AI video. I'm working from a real advertising objective. Imagine a company wants to launch a new AI productivity tool. Their goal isn't simply to create a nice-looking video. They need a complete advertising campaign that introduces the product, communicates its value, and attracts potential customers. My job is to take that objective and transform it into a finished commercial using Flova. Instead of manually building every step myself, I'm going to see how much of the creative process the AI video agent can handle while I focus on making the important creative decisions. Let's start by giving Flova the advertising brief. Before generating anything, I need to give Flova enough context to understand the project. This isn't just a prompt like "make me a cool AI commercial." I'm explaining what the product is, who it's for, and what we're trying to achieve. In this case, the goal is to create a launch campaign for an AI productivity app that helps professionals organize their work more efficiently. The target audience is busy professionals, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who are always looking for ways to save time and work smarter. That context is important because a good advertisement isn't just about visuals. It needs to communicate the right message to the right audience. Once I've entered the brief, Flova starts breaking the project down into different stages. Instead of immediately generating random scenes, it first helps organize the creative direction. It suggests the structure of the commercial, builds a storyboard, and even drafts the prompts for each scene. Honestly, this is one of the biggest differences compared to traditional AI video generators. Most AI tools simply wait for a prompt. Flova actually behaves more like a creative assistant. It helps plan the project before creating it. Of course, I don't accept everything automatically. I review the storyboard, adjust a few scenes, change the pacing in the introduction, and refine some of the ideas so they better match the audience I'm trying to reach. This is where I think the collaboration really happens. The AI handles the heavy lifting during planning, while I make the creative decisions that shape the final campaign. Once the storyboard looks right, it's time to start generating the commercial. Now it's time to turn the plan into an actual advertisement. Based on the storyboard, Flova starts generating the first scenes. The AI creates visuals for each part of the commercial, but I don't just accept every result. As the creative director for this project, my job is to decide which scenes actually communicate the message most effectively. For example, the opening scene is the first thing viewers will see. I want it to grab attention immediately, so I choose the version with stronger camera movement and a more dynamic introduction instead of a slower cinematic shot. It's a small decision, but it makes the commercial much more engaging from the first few seconds. As I continue through the project, I review every generated scene. Some are already exactly what I'm looking for. Others need a few adjustments. Instead of settling for the first result, I ask Flova to regenerate certain shots with different camera angles, lighting, and pacing until they better match the story I'm trying to tell. This is where I think the collaboration between AI and the creator becomes really interesting. Flova is incredibly fast at producing ideas and visual concepts. My role is deciding which ideas actually work for the audience and which ones should be refined. That combination feels much more like working with a creative assistant than simply pressing a generate button. Once I'm happy with the visuals, I move on to refining the overall structure. I adjust the pacing between scenes, improve the transitions, and make sure the story flows naturally from introducing the product to explaining its value and ending with a clear call to action. At this point, the commercial is already starting to feel like a real marketing project rather than just a collection of AI-generated clips. At this point, I have a solid commercial, but in the real world, one advertisement usually isn't enough. Different audiences respond to different messages, and different platforms have different objectives. Instead of simply generating different visual styles, I want to see if Flova can help create different marketing strategies for the same product. So I ask it to generate 3 different campaign versions. The first version focuses entirely on introducing the product. The objective here isn't to sell immediately, it's to make people aware that the product exists and explain the problem it solves. The pacing is a little slower, the visuals are more cinematic, and there's more emphasis on storytelling. This is the type of advertisement you might use for a product launch or a YouTube campaign where viewers are seeing the product for the first time. Next, I create a version designed for conversions. This audience already understands the product, so instead of spending time introducing it, the goal is to encourage them to take action. I ask Flova to make the messaging more direct, highlight the key benefits more quickly, and end with a stronger call to action. The pacing is faster, the value proposition is clearer, and every scene is focused on moving the viewer closer to signing up or making a purchase. This feels much more like a performance marketing ad than a brand awareness campaign. Finally, I generate a version specifically designed for short-form platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Here, attention is everything. The first few seconds need to grab the viewer immediately. The edits are quicker, the scenes are shorter, the captions are more dynamic, and the entire message is delivered much faster while still communicating the product's main value. This isn't just a shorter version of the original ad. It's built around the way people actually consume content on short-form platforms. Seeing these 3 versions side by side is actually really interesting. The product never changes, so the strategy behind each advertisement is completely different depending on the business objective. That's something I think Flova does really well. Instead of just generating different-looking videos, it helps explore different creative approaches based on what you're trying to achieve. As someone who creates content regularly, that's much more valuable than simply getting another variation with a different color grade or camera angle. So, after completing this entire project, what do I think? I came into this expecting Flova to simply generate a few AI videos. Instead, it ended up helping with something much bigger. It helped organize the project, build a creative direction, generate a storyboard, create scenes, suggest different advertising strategies, and speed up the production process from start to finish. What I liked most wasn't that it tried to replace my creativity. It actually gave me more time to focus on the creative decisions that matter. Instead of spending hours writing prompts, organizing ideas, or manually creating every first draft, I could concentrate on refining the campaign, choosing the strongest scenes, and making sure the final commercial communicated the right message. That's where I think Flova delivers the most value. It doesn't replace the creator. It removes a lot of the repetitive work so you can spend more time thinking like a creative director. And honestly, that's a much more realistic way to look at AI. It's not about replacing people, it's about helping creators produce better work faster. If you're creating marketing campaigns for clients, running a creative agency, working as a freelancer, managing social media for a business, or you're a small business owner creating advertisements for your own products, I can definitely see how a workflow like this could save a significant amount of time. Instead of juggling multiple AI tools throughout the day, Flova brings the planning, creative direction, and production process together in one place. For solo creators and small teams that can make producing commercial content much more efficient. If you'd like to see how Flova fits into your own workflow, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. I'd also love to know what you think. Do you see AI video agents becoming part of your creative process, or do you still prefer building everything manually? Let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.